Look at this. Look at the size of that. That is the biggest spider crab I have ever pulled up. I might have to take him home and cook him, you know. That is mental. Look at the claws on him. Bet there's some meat in them. Why have I never eaten spider crabs before? This is amazing. I reckon there's some good meat in here. That's what I've scraped out of the body. All the little bits of crab meat. Stick some mayonnaise with that. Put that on a sandwich. I bet that's going to taste amazing. And then I've pretty much got all the limbs left. And these two claws I reckon should have some good meat in here. I've just cooled them down because what I've learned is that when the crab meat's hot, it falls apart and flakes. So I'm hoping when I cool it down and I bang these open, it should stay as a whole. This is my first time ever cooking spider crabs, so you never know. But yeah, that's, I mean, you can see there's some quality meat in there. Duty rolling pin. Oh, that is flipping amazing. Look at this. Oh. Yummy. Still got another 8 of them to go. Oh man, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Alright, so that is the entire crab smashed up. Took ages, but I can tell you what, this meat is absolutely amazing. Definitely going to be keeping spider crabs from now on. if they're big enough. A little bit of garlic butter, heaven, absolute heaven. Alright, let's clean this mess up. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, that was a lot of effort just for a crab sandwich, but I can see why they're so expensive now with all the effort that goes into making them. That was going to be amazing. Why have I never done this before? I've had so many spider crabs in the past, and I always put them back. That was amazing. Definitely doing this again.